Hey guys, this is John from the Trucker's Kitchen, and today we're going to dehydrate some frozen vegetables. Now I know I've shown this before, but a few of y'all have asked me to do it again, and one of the Facebook groups I'm in is called Cooking in My Semi Truck, and a post was put up in there that stated about not buying fresh vegetables because the guy said he always goes bad before he uses it all. Well, this is something right here that I want to show. And that's dehydrating your vegetables. Now, very, very simple. All right, and I'm going to tell you the payout. For every cup and a half I have inside my frozen vegetables, it's going to reduce it down to 1 cup. So a cup and a half here, or 1 cup when I dehydrate it. It's a very simple, very basic process. So let me show you how to get started on that. First of all, I've got a Cosori. Some of y'all know that already. I'm a big Cosori fan. And all that. I'm tired. I ran 3,600 miles this week total. So at home just for the night for a 34-hour reset. I'm going to hit the road again. So you want to put down your silicone mat on your stainless steel. At least that's the way I do it. You're just going to put your vegetables out on here. Alright, we're not going to put them all out on this tray. And luckily I cleaned and sanitized my cabinets before we started this. So we're going to take these bigger chunks. I'm going to try to crush them down a little bit, that ice. We're just going to spread these out. Now, you want to get these as even as you can across here. With these being froze like this, it's going to be kind of hard, but we're going to try. Alright. Now, that's basically all there is to it. You just spread them out and get them level. Now, one thing I do want to tell you, you're supposed to dehydrate your vegetables at 125 degrees, but I was watching the Purposeful Pantry, and Darcy in that video, she's a very wise woman. If you want to dehydrate, that's the best place to go and learn. She said raise it up 15 degrees higher for the first hour if they're frozen. This helps them kind of regulate. So we're going to go ahead and put this in. Alright, now let me get the rest of these set up and I'll be right back. Alright, so 2 of these bags right here, which are 32 ounces a piece or 2 pounds, gave me 4 trays. Now, go and close this up. We're going to go to temperature control. We're going to put it at 140 degrees for 11 hours. Now, when I come back in an hour, what I'm going to do is turn the temperature down to 125. I'll bring you back for that. Alright, I'm back. It's been going for about an hour at 140, so we're going to go here to temperature. We're going to drop this down to 125. Keep it right there. Let it go. And I will be back. It's the next day, and we're going to see how these are doing. So we're going to take the tray out. The way you figure out that this is done, and it looks done, let me get this where y'all can see it, is that you can take the bigger pieces and you can crush them just like that, nice and dry. As you can see, everything has pretty much shrunk down. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put it in storage. Now, I use quart jars. Alright, and remember this was 2 2-pound bags of mixed vegetables. And I'm going to take each one of my mesh racks right here, and I'm going to put it in there. And some will stick, it's normal. You just go and knock them out with your fingers or whatever you got to knock them out with, or pick them off. And I'll be back when I get all 4 of these done. Okay, with one tray left, I've already put in 1 quart. So I did about 1.5 bags. Put the top on and seal it. Now, if I was going to put this in my pantry, I'd vacuum seal it down. But since I'm going to take this on the truck and use it, I'm just going to take it like that. Now, was asked in the group, the Cooking in Your Semi group on Facebook, how much water they're going to have to take. It's basically a one-on-one mix. 1 cup of the dehydrated vegetables to 1 cup of hot water. You put it in the hot water and you let it rehydrate for about 10-15 minutes, and it's good to eat. Now, with that being said, the taste is going to stay the same. The texture is going to change. So what I like doing is I like putting it in casseroles or soups, or if I'm making something like that I'm using the Instant Pot, I can just throw that in there with it. It can rehydrate as it's cooking, and it's done all at the same time. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe and like this, and leave comments, please. If you leave a comment that's showing interaction, that helps me out. I'll also try to put on the links so you can get access to the Cosori. We're at the house. The dehydrator I use is a Cosori, and it's not too expensive, and it's actually very, very quiet. When it runs, I'll let y'all hear it run right quick. When it runs, it's about like a little ceiling fan. That's it, right there. All right. I'll also leave you some links to get these silicone mats. You will have to cut them down, but they're very, very cheap. So, and this is John with the Trucker's Kitchen signing off. Like I always tell y'all, be good, be safe, and I'll see you when I see you.